Hey Magento enthusiast, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through a quick and convenient way to back up your Magento to Codebase using the Magento CLI. So let's get started. The first step is to access your server via SSH. Ensure you have SSH access to your server. If you haven't connected yet, fire up your terminal and let's dive in. Once connected, navigate to your Magento to root directory using the cd command, and I am already in the Magento root directory. I can confirm this by running bin magento command. Magento 2 provides a convenient command for backing up just the code base, so let's run the code base backup command. But first, we can see all the options by running the help command. If you see here, we are able to back up the code, the media, and the database. I will run the code for this tutorial. If you see here, running the code backup command is enabling our maintenance mode, and this is not safe to run in the production because customers would not be able to place an order. The code backup is on progress. This command specifically backups your Magento 2 code under the var backup directory by default. So once this is done, I'll go through var backups directory. I can do an ls there to list all the files, and let's see our backup. The code backup completed successfully. Let's go to backups folder. I'll do ls to list all the files, and as we see, we have our backup file. You have successfully created backup of your Magento 2 codebase using the Magento CLI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.